Grabbed a CIA file related to Nintendo 3DS and need to know what to do with it? This is a specific installation format for 3DS software and content. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what CIA files contain and how they work within the 3DS ecosystem. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single CIA file, inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. CIA files are CTR importable archive files used by the Nintendo 3DS system to install software titles, updates, and downloadable content. They package encrypted game data, application code, ROMFS assets, and metadata in a format that the 3DS operating system processes through its title installation management system. CIA files use a structured binary format containing a header certificate chain ticket, title, metadata, content sections, and optional footer. Each section is aligned to specific byte boundaries, with AES 128 encryption protecting content data and RSA signatures verifying certificate chain authenticity and title integrity. The most common market-leading program for CIA is Citra from Citra team. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows cannot interpret most game file content, so opening or using them requires the game or dedicated tools. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the CIA file and select Open with. Test Citra if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the CIA format uniquely. When your CIA file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. We're going to solve this with a universal tool, but first, what are the technical factors causing this CIA error to appear? First, using Citra Emulator. Download and install the Citra 3DS emulator from its official source. Use File. Then install CIA to add the CIA file to Citra's virtual NN storage. Once installed, the title appears in Citra's game list ready to launch. Citra decrypts and runs the installed content on your PC for gameplay or testing. Next, inspecting CIA contents. Use CTR Tool, a command line utility for examining 3DS file formats, to inspect CIA file structure and metadata. Run CTR Tool, infofilename.cia to display title ID content types, encryption status, and embedded certificates. This is useful for verifying CIA file integrity and understanding the packaged content before installation. Finally, extracting CIA data. Use Hacking Toolkit 3DS or 3DS Builder to extract the contents of a CIA file into its component parts, including the executable code, ROMFS data, and metadata. Extracted assets can be examined or modified for homebrew development and modding purposes. Ensure you own the original title before working with extracted game data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.